In our previous videos, we have learned about pronoun, subjective pronoun, be verb, and we have learned about how to convert the statement into a question and how to make it negative statement and positive statement. Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. In this video, we are going to check up your knowledge. So what you have to do, here are some questions. You have to write them in your notebook, answer them, and then play the video and check your answer. Let us look at the first sentence. Dash are bags. So bags are things. So we cannot say he, she or you. Can you tell what can we use over here? It or they. Bags having s at the end. That means it's a plural. So can we use it for a plural? No, because it's a plural. So we are going to use they. They are bags. Let us move to the next sentence. Dash is a dog. Dog is an animal and it is start with is. So what we have to use right now? Yes, for dog we use it and it is a singular. So it is a dog. So let us move to the next one. The girl is an artist. So here we have to convert this sentence to a subjective pronoun. So the girl is a singular. So what we have to use for a girl, and instead of a girl, we have to use she is an artist. She is an artist. Now the last one is a question. As we know, when we have a question, we have to put the be verb first. So are dash monkeys. Now look here, monkeys, they are more than one. And there is are in the sentence. Are is used with the plural. So what will be the question? Are they monkeys? And answer will be yes. So answer will be yes, they are. Okay, let us move to the next part. Here we are going to focus on negative and question. First sentence says, I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. What if I'm a teacher? That means this statement is not true. I'm not a student. I'm a teacher. So how can I say? The answer will be, I'm not a student. I'm not a student. Next one. They are teachers. They are teachers. So in this sentence, we have another group of people and they are not teachers, they are not even students. So what we have to give statement? Is it a negative statement? Yes, they are not teachers. They are not teachers. So here, after the be verb, we added are not teachers. So I'm going to ask you a question. I'm asking you a question. Are you a student? Of course, you are checking my classes. You watch my videos. So you want to learn. So yes, I am. Yes, I am a student. Now let us move to the last part. Here we are going to look at this sentence, but you have to observe something wrong in all of these sentences. So you have to find out the mistakes. The first sentence says, I'm student. I'm student. So what is wrong here? Look, student is a singular noun. There is no S at the end of the noun. So what is missing is a. There is one student, so I have to add I am a student. I am a student. The next one, they are student. They are student. Come on, look at the sentence and just find out what is missing. Student is a single student and the pronoun is they are. So they are joined with the plural noun. So the missing things is students. They are students. Now the sentence is correct. She aren't a baby. She aren't a baby. She is one person, one girl, one woman, and a baby is a single baby. So aren't is used with the plural. So aren't is wrong and we have to put isn't. Isn't is used with the singular pronoun or noun. She isn't a baby. Now, you isn't a cat. You isn't a cat is having a be verb you. For the subjective pronoun you, we have to have be verb are, not is. Is used with the singular pronoun and noun. So you aren't a cat. The last one is are it a cat? Are it a cat? So what is wrong here? So let us have a look. A cat is an animal and it is a single cat, a cat. What is the use of are over here? So are is used with the plural noun or pronoun and is used with the singular noun and pronoun. So what we have to put? We have to put is it a cat? Is it a cat? I hope this video was helpful to all of you. If you like the video, share it. Love and peace to all.